Samal Island-Cavanico Resort with beef and aloe peak.
Welcome to SEMPER IDEM Signature. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all bell, and subscribe.
I'll spend time to write and sign your request.
SEMPER IDEM signature goes to Samal Island. From Davao City Wharf to Cavanico Resort. About 30 to 50 minutes waiting before getting into the wharf. Patience is a virtue.
Shout out Liesel and Judith. Shout out Laloy and Jake.
One hour later, thanks be to God. Here we go, Samal. Less than 40 minutes upon reaching the island.
Shout out elder sister Belen and Kuya Jaime. Shout out Dimple. Shout out older brother Dodsky. Shout out Beth and Arlo. Welcome back to the Philippines. Shout out Utero Doloricon family. We are now getting closer to Samal Island. Shout out Ruth, Benny TV, and RB.
Arriving at Samal Wharf.
Shout out Greggy Greg, keep safe brother.
Going to Cavanico Resort.
30-minute trip to the resort. We're here at the resort.
Arriving at Cavanico Resort.
Brief orientation and ecological management rules.
Short distance trip, going to rest houses.
Tired of walking? No worries, rides are provided. Clean and very nice resort. Shout out BJ.
Thanks to the
Shout out
sponsors,
JN.
Utero Doloricon Fams with Beth and Bellin. Fellowship lunch before napping. And a quiet time rest on Thier Bamboo Made Rest House.
The events place and food court. The Bamboo Rest House. Shades and water. The resort's visage. For outdoor games and activities. Shout out Boba. Miss Body Beautiful area. Swimming area and slides for kids. Safe and real Haven. Enjoy. Thanks Samal and Cavanico Resort. From SEMPER IDEM Signature. Thank you so much. Utero Doloricon family. Especially to Arlo and Beth Peak. Shout out Joshua. And shout out Jake. The Adam of the documentaries. Happy holidays. And keep safe everyone.